everyone, welcome back to another video. If it's your first time here, my name is Michael Shu and welcome. Today we are unboxing the flannel lined wax trucker jacket by Flint & Tinder. This is the most popular wax jacket with over 3,000 reviews on their website. This jacket also was made popular by the hit HBO TV show The Last of Us, as the main character wears this exact jacket in the exact same color. Be sure to watch the very end, as I'll be giving you guys an on-body look of this jacket just to show you guys what it looks like with everyday clothes and everyday lighting. If you guys do decide to purchase this jacket, be sure to use the link down below, as it's gonna help me out a ton. If you guys aren't subscribed, I'd really appreciate it if you guys went down and smashed the subscribe button. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up. It's gonna help me out a ton. Without further ado, let's dive into the unboxing. There's not a whole lot to talk about the packaging, so let's go ahead and unwrap it. You guys ready? Ooh. Oh my gosh. Upon first opening it and touching it, you could really feel the quality of this jacket. Gosh, let's open it up. Look at this, wow. All right, I really like these custom buttons that says Flint & Tinder. Let me go ahead and unbutton everything and try it on. As sizing is very important. You wanna make sure you get a jacket that fits you well. I am 5'8", 185 pounds, and I got the large. I personally like a jacket that's a little bit more roomy, a jacket where I am able to layer up if I need to. Ooh, I love that there's this media pocket on the left side. You're able to put your phone on the inside. It says wax trucker jacket, weather resistant exterior, made in the USA. I love products that are made in the USA. Should I go ahead and put this on? All right, you guys ready? Ooh. Okay, I'm really liking this color. Oh, it feels so nice and comfy. This flannel line is really nice. It keeps you pretty warm, especially in colder temperatures. I can see wearing this quite often. How does it look upon first wearing it? Yeah? It's not too stiff at all. There's not gonna be a break-in period required. I previously done an unboxing on the forest color. I think these are the two most popular colors for this jacket, the field tan and the forest. If this video gets over 50 likes, I'll go ahead, make a comparison on the color of forest and the field tan to give you guys the best decision on which one to purchase. But so far, I'm really digging the field tan color. You guys might be wondering how much the most popular wax jacket costs. Well, there are a lot of wax jackets out there that cost a lot, over $500, $600, $700, even $800. However, this jacket, the most popular wax jacket, only costs $298, which is not bad at all. For a jacket that's made in the USA, that's waxed and lined for $298 is not a bad deal at all. If you do want to purchase that, be sure to use the link down below. Like I said, that's gonna help me out a ton. But let's go out right now and let me give you guys an on-body look. You guys ready? Let's go. Hope you guys enjoyed the on-body look of Flint & Tinder's Field 10 flannel lined wax trucker jacket. I absolutely love this jacket, so much so that I bought a second color. So if you want to see a comparison between the forest color and the Field 10 color, be sure to hit the like button, and if this video gets 50 likes, I'll be releasing that video to show you guys which one you would prefer to get, the forest or the Field 10. Or if you're like me, why not just get both? These are a very versatile jacket that's easy to dress up in, really easy to just grab and go. This has quickly become my go-to jacket, especially as spring has come. It's still chilly sometimes, but warm. This is a good overall jacket that I absolutely love. So if you do want to purchase this jacket, be sure to use the link down below, as it's going to help me out a ton and I would really appreciate it. But that's going to be it for this quick unboxing. I just got another color and wanted to share this experience with you. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!